Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, I told you three cases. First, let us talk about zero acceleration case. How do you take the application? Numerical point of view. Example, look at here, object. Zero acceleration, this is also called, I told you already, constant velocity, isn't it? Constant velocity. Suppose the object is moving with 10 meters per second at t equivalent to 0 initially. Now, after some time, when you observe velocity constant, na? So the value is same as 10 meters per second after 2 seconds. Now again, it is maintaining 10 meters per second after 4 seconds and so on. So one thing we can observe here, there is no change in the velocity. So in that case, what are the numericals they can give us? Find distance or displacement. It covers in 3 seconds. First one. Now only we know clearly. I am saying here velocity, but I am calling here distance. Look at here. When the object moving in a straight line without changing its direction or magnitude, the distance itself is equivalent to displacement. Now what about we write? So velocity is displacement by time. So displacement is velocity into time. So what about velocity 10? And how much time they are asking? The distance it covers 3 seconds. So displacement is 30 meters. This is one model. And what about the other model? So the second one they are asking like find time in which it covers 150 meters. Find the time in which it covers 150 meters. Look at here. This is a distance and formula, same formula, only one formula in this case existing, right? So then time is asking, so displacement by velocity. What is the displacement it cover, like a distance or displacement? 150. Upon what is the velocity it is maintaining 10. So what is the time taken to cover 150 meters? It is a 15 seconds. It covers 15 seconds. So these are very basic questions. So not to at least +1 +2 level we can take it as in the 9th standard. Start from very fundamental cases. Now in this case, one more example how they are going to give. If an object is moving and it covers 210 meters, okay, in 7 seconds. 210 meters in 7 seconds. Then how do you calculate? If acceleration is equivalent to 0. Zero acceleration case I told you already. So acceleration 0 means we can assume it is no change, no change in the velocity of the body. So in this case, how to calculate? Direct formula, only one formula. What is that? Velocity is displacement by time. So displacement time is given, therefore velocity is equivalent to 210 by 7. So velocity is equivalent to 30 meters per second. So this is how we can take. Of course, these are very basic things. Anyway, I told you the motion of the body based on the acceleration, zero acceleration, constant and variable acceleration. Okay.